Protein powders have become a popular go-to for many fitness enthusiasts, aiming to boost their protein intake and support their muscle growth. However, the concerns about weight gain often arise when it comes to incorporating these protein powders into your daily routine. In this video, we'll tell you simple solutions to enjoy the benefits of protein powders without packing those unwanted kilos. What to take along with the protein powders? Protein powders such as whey, casein, plant-based options are concentrated source of protein derived from various sources like milk, soy, and peas. However, it's crucial to be mindful the total calorie intake and excessive calories can lead to weight gain. One common misconception is that protein powders alone cause weight gain, but in reality, weight gain is often the result of consuming more calories than the body needs, regardless of the protein source. If your overall calorie intake exceeds your energy expenditure, you may notice an increase of body weight, whether you're consuming protein shakes or not. Now, how do you gain weight with protein powders? Well, the key to enjoying protein shakes without gaining unwanted weight is to strike a balance and practice the moderation. Here are some simple tips to keep in mind while eating or drinking protein shakes. Always use an app to know how many calories you're getting each day. Think of protein shakes as a meal, not an extra snack. Always read labels and choose protein powders with less sugar and fats. Have your shakes after your exercise. This can help your muscles recover without adding too much extra calories for the day. Remember, it's not about cutting the protein powders, but finding a healthy balance that works individually for your nutritional needs and weight loss goals. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to thehealthsite.com.